Hello everyone and welcome to today's video where we're gonna do something different than our usual glam style. So I've actually finished my training, I had a shower and we're gonna do a very quick makeup look of, let's say, shall we call it makeup after gym, and for the hair as well, because as you know, during a gym session you might, you're supposed to be sweating, and we just want to get back into a quite glam shape after we finished our training. So let's start with today's look and see exactly what is the best and easiest way to actually achieve a makeup and hairstyle after a good gym session.
I'm starting with the Embryolist toner, just a few puffs on my skin. Then I'm using the Cetaphil Daily Moisturizing Lotion, which is packed with hyaluronic acid, which will help retain moisture into the skin. It's super lightweight, it's got a gel-like consistency which absorbs super fast. And as you can see on my face, actually I'm quite pleased with the results. It's really nice. After this, I'm using the Paese Cosmetics foundation, which is part of their new Nano Revit collection, which is called Natural Finish Longwear Everyday Foundation. Now, when it comes to this Nano Revit series, this is characterized by the fact that it provides high-end professional skincare in makeup as well, because its main ingredient is blackcurrant seed oil, which is obtained by an innovative method that allows to preserve the beneficial properties of the active fruit, and it basically stimulates collagen production, it fights free radicals, it nourishes and it strengthens the skin and reduces redness, which I do have on my skin. I'm using the concealer, their brightening concealer, part of the same collection, Nano Revit, and I must say it's absolutely amazing to wear makeup that actually cares for the skin. So something that has very good ingredients as well, and it does good to your skin whilst wearing it. Now after this, I'm using the Paese Cosmetics powder brow pencil. I do love this brand, it's a Polish brand, they have absolutely amazing products, and why I prefer to wear a powder pencil throughout the day is because this will not move as much as a wax-based pencil, which, as the name actually suggests, it's made of wax, which tends to slide a little bit throughout the day, especially if you're sweating or if it's super hot outside. Hence why I prefer a powder brow pencil. Now we can move on to the eye makeup look, and I'm using first the Kiko Milano eyeshadow pencil. This is in shade number 6. It's a really gorgeous, really pretty brownish bronzy color that blends super easy on the eyes. You can use a duo fiber brush like I am now, or you can also blend that with your ring finger. It will work just as well. Now after I apply it on my upper eyelid, I'm gonna apply it a little bit on my lower lash line and blend it out with the brush. After everything is done with the eyeshadow stick, I'm defining my upper lash line with a dark brown pencil. This is just to intensify even more the look. After, I'm using the eyeshadow palette from Natasha Denona. This is called Mini Nude, and with the lightest shade in the palette, I'm applying it all over my mobile eyelid and a little bit on my lower lash line. To give and add a little bit of sparkle to today's look, I'm using the sparkly shade in the palette, and I'm applying that with my ring finger because these eyeshadows, they do apply much better with the warmth of your finger. For the outer corner of the eye, I'm using the darkest shade in the palette because this is a classic makeup look and we just want to give more definition and elongate the eyes even more. So again, nothing too complicated. After the eye makeup is done, I'm curling my lashes and applying 2 coats of my favorite mascara, which is the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced Cosmetics. After the mascara is applied, I can now move on to the next step, which is setting the makeup, and I'm using the mineral loose powder from Paese Cosmetics just in the center of my face. I do prefer to use a mineral powder throughout the day because this sets the makeup much better and it absorbs all the oils which can surface throughout the day on the skin. To add a bit of dimension and warmth to my skin, I'm using the fantastic bronzer from Marc Jacobs. You know how much I love this, and it smells absolutely divine, and I get so excited when I'm applying this. As you can see, I'm applying it all over my neck, everywhere. Anyways, it's a fantastic bronzer to have. Now for the lips, I'm using the lip liner from Wycon Cosmetics. This is in shade Chocolate. I'm defining very well my lips so I can then apply my lipstick, and I'm gonna use a nude shade. Also, that mixed with this lip liner, which is darker, is gonna create that kind of ombre effect. This is the 6 Necessary Nudes lip palette from MAC Cosmetics. I've combined 2 shades as usual. I always love to combine shades. And basically, that is it for the makeup. Nothing more, nothing less, nothing too complicated. We can move on to the hair. This hairstyling is perfect if you're in a rush, if you don't have time to wash it and blow dry it after you've been to the gym. All you'll need is some dry shampoo, a hairspray, a teasing comb, and just one bobby pin and the hair elastic, and that would be literally it. I also have a separate tutorial on this on my Instagram page, and it's called Ponytail or the Off-Duty Model Look. So I'm gonna leave you with the video and see exactly how I've created this hairstyle, and I'm gonna see you right at the end.
And this is how easy it was, literally. Like, it took me no more than probably 15 minutes to finish this look. Now this is perfect, especially if you're in a time crisis after you've been at the gym in the morning just before you go to work. This is why I call this video From Gym to Office. And we're gonna have a series of this type of videos where I show you a few tricks on actually how to beat time when it comes to your makeup and hair and look absolutely amazing and glam. Now I'm sure you've seen how we started the video and how I look now. Foundation, a bit of cream, some eyeshadow, but nothing too complicated, so I've literally used just these two. You can use only this one, that's not an issue. Mascara, a bit of bronzer, lipstick, and I have put my hair into a ponytail because this is the hairstyle I like to call the off-duty model look, but it's super sleek, it's nice, it looks very professional and very elegant and chic. So, like I said, it took me no more than 15 minutes, and I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do have any suggestions, please leave them below. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also you can subscribe to my channel and click on the ring bell button so you can get notified every single time I post something. Or yeah, basically that's it. That's what will encourage me to actually create even more content for you. So I'm always here to answer your questions and take your suggestions and help you with any makeup, skincare or hair styling questions you might have. Until the next time, mwah.